Imagine you have a toy car that runs on batteries. Normally, you plug it in to charge, and the batteries give it power. But what if instead of just using regular batteries, you could make the car run on a magic fuel that is super clean and doesn't pollute the air? That magic fuel is hydrogen. Hydrogen can be used in lots of things like cars, planes, and even in making things like fertilizer. The cool part is that when hydrogen is burned, it only makes water as a byproduct, not any smoke or bad stuff. So it's much better for our planet than the dirty fuels we usually use, like gasoline or diesel, which can pollute the air. But here's the tricky part. Making hydrogen in a clean way used to be really hard and expensive. Most of the time, it was made by burning natural gas, which still makes the planet hotter. So, Electric Hydrogen, a company that wants to help fight climate change, is working on a way to make green hydrogen that's the clean kind more easily and cheaper. They're making special machines called electrolyzers that can split water into hydrogen and oxygen using electricity. These machines are way bigger and better than the ones we have now, which means they can make more hydrogen at once, and that could help get it to more people who need it. The company is building big factories to make these machines. And they've even got help from some big companies like Microsoft and United Airlines. If everything goes well, we could see more hydrogen being used in places like ships, airplanes, and factories, all of which are hard to clean up using electricity alone. What does all this mean for the future? If electric hydrogen can make these electrolyzers work super well and make hydrogen cheaper, we could have a world where we use clean hydrogen instead of fossil fuels. That would be awesome for the planet because it would help reduce pollution and slow down climate change. In short, electric hydrogen is working on making a cleaner, cheaper way to use hydrogen for all kinds of things, which could help make the world a better place for everyone,